Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Slicedmelon video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this cartoony text for your Roblox game. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright YouTube, so I'm in Photopea, and the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go to a new project. Then we're just going to make the width 1920 pixels, the height 1080, and the DPI 300 pixels per inch. I'm then going to make the background a nice blue color, and then hit create. And for my background, I just want to make a new layer, and I'm going to make this black. Go to our brush tool, get a soft round brush. I'm just going to brush the background. Honestly, you don't even have to do this. I just like doing it because it makes my work look presentable. But you could skip this stage. I'm just doing this kind of for the sake of like thumbnail, to be honest. You could present your work how you like. So this step isn't really necessary, but I just like to do it. And then I'm just going to merge them. Alright, now let's get into the text itself. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a new layer, and then go into our text tool. Now you are going to find a font that you would like to use. I'm going to use Freckleface. It's honestly a pretty cool font. Actually no, I want something a bit more playful. I could use Fredoka, but I use Fredoka for a lot of things. But let's see what kind of fonts there are in here. To be honest, I'm going to use Fredoka. Now that I've got my text, I'm going to go to Edit, Free Transform, grab this by the corner, and just scale it to where you want, and then just move it into the center. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go on this layer, and go right click, blending options, and add a gradient overlay. I've got my gradient like this. You can change things by where it says gradient on your gradient overlay, click there. And then for the top color, you change this one. For the bottom color, you change that one. Now just hit OK, and then we're gonna go into 3D. So click on 3D, and just play around with the settings. I quite like mine like this, but it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. I mean, yeah, tell a lie, it does matter, but you know what I mean. Just do it up to your preference and your style. You can add things such as satin if you want, but I'm not going to. This can make your PC lag, by the way. It is to me a little bit at the moment, and my PC is like good. So, alright, now just hit OK, and go right click and rasterize layer style. And now it probably shouldn't lag as much. Next, we're just going to go right click, blending options. We are going to add a nice stroke to our text. You can make this white, you can make this dark gray, you can make this dark blue, you can make it orange. And then I'm going to add another stroke. I'm making that a darker color, and I'm making this a lighter color, I'm thinking. Or maybe I'll make this blue. But what about a lighter orange? Now I'm going to make it dark blue sort of color, and that is it. You can now do some things such as transforming your text by going edit, transform, and you can do things such as warp it, and then you can go to style and make it maybe an arc, which means you can have your text like bendy, and then just hit OK, and then you can just move your text back into the center with your move tool. And that is how to make some simple cartoony 3D text in Photopea. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, and I will see you in the next video. Before I end this video, I would just like to announce that we have started a brand new design agency. We do services such as UI design, Game Pass design, GFX, logos, and if you would like to order from our highly experienced team, I will put a link to the Discord server on screen. Make sure to also follow us on our socials, and I will see you in the next video for real this time.